Good morning, fellow Ambazonians. Today, na number 16 day for the number 11 month for this year 2021. Welcome to my daily podcast. My name na Capo Daniel, Sense Pass King, the Ambazonian Defense Forces Deputy Defense Chief, Ambazonian Governing Council.
Fearless no one.
The title for this podcast na Swedish Bitter. Ambazonia they don't score big victory today for Bamenda, while two forces them from Mancon they don't fall for food market. But first, we go start for Bamenda General Hospital with 3 victims them where La Republique the occupation forces they be shoot them for Bamenda as they be protest against the killing of Bebe Brandy, where be killed by Cameroon occupation forces for Insa Bamenda as they be follow moto for collect 500. The victim them they see suffer with gunshot wound them for their skin. It is show we how La Republique du Cameroon then disregard Ambazonian life. Why for the Atlantic state for a classic way to wear at the name as Dog by Dog. La Republique du Cameroon, their terrorist forces them, they don't kill 2 civilian them. One when a member and leader for that chief, xenophobic chief, hate chief, where they call it say Moja Moja, a dance group.
Tragic incident happening in Buea. For the past 3 weeks now, Buea has been experiencing.
As una know very well, Moja Moja na member for some juju where they call and say Malay. Malay na juju we plenty for inside Bakwere land. Moja Moja na a criminal chief where he always insult and incite xenophobic attacks against the people for southern Cameroon. A dance group as it used to work a commode with gun. They mock the self-defense forces them where they fight for self-determination for Ambazonia. This time, the same military where it used to stand it support them. Then come for day, then see dance, they open fire without verifying what and who they for day, what and wait till they happen. Just then see gathering of people them, they open fire, killing the head for the juju where they call in one John Monono.
For day for night, for the 5 o'clock, for day for fun, Moral to the door.
Yes.
For the plane Ganya. Maybe to joke and for the can shoot God.
The year on the
Yes. They shoot 2 people them. 1 man not die. With much hospital.
now who die? They shoot
No.
That's small Monono die.
Yes.
So now voice that for Moja Moja, where they used to mock Ambazonian fighter the way they fight for self-defense. Now it is the cry for hospital. As dog, it don't bite dog. The dance they call them for inside your own village, Nanganya, for inside Bakwere, na Malay. This one na a demonstration once more. Say Ambazonia, so long as you dey for inside that land Ambazonia, your life will not be safe. La Republique du Cameroon, their troops them, they need to care whether na who or na wait till it happen, or wait till they define them na an opportunity for shoot and kill, as then they for a genocidal war. When they disregard our people their right, their leaders them, they call we cockroaches them. We no fit expect anything less from these Turks from La Republique du Cameroon. Yesterday, also for Monday, number 15 day, the Ambazonia Defense Forces, the Bamenda Brigade, they launched a brazen attack against La Republique du Cameroon, their military post for GMA, killing 2 gendarmes them where they stand guard. As the mission is finished, with the year to say La Republique du Cameroon, the terrorist forces them, they ran kill 2 Ambazonian forces them for inside food market. The 2 forces them, one na doctor, the other one na what? Now picking them for lion for inside Mancon. When they come out from Mancon, they come for Bamenda. Their mission is not to be clear for we, as they no be inform our commander the way na the control that area as the normal protocol e be. Na two picking the way they don't fight, give their life for Ambazonia for fight for our freedom for a long time. May their spirit and their soul rest in power until victory is attained with the journey for Ambazonia and their liberation. It will continue with full force. We pay tribute for the soldier them and we salute their commander where they for inside Mankonde. And we go to call on all forces them where they come for inside Bamenda. May they be very vigilant and may they work with those where they around those area them. As La Republic they don't adjust themselves. Most of the time they and civil things would not make them, it don't be almost impossible for them to function properly for Bamenda. For other news, only 2 days after we celebrate big victory, where General Okoro, he done lead a joint mission for eliminate La Republique du Cameroon, the terrorist forces them, for Santa, and other forces them, they don't come again, can begin the one spoil work for begin do bad work. Some forces they don't come for inside Balingam Palace, Cambon Palace, also go Bon Market, burn some hotel for day and steal a lot of things them. We condemn, we for the Ambazonia Governing Council, we condemn such attack. This type of attack them in order to reflect the conduct for our forces them. The so-called people the way they do for the diaspora, for the splinter IG group, where they call these restoration forces them, say that they lead them. If they not get no command and control, me they not begin claim responsibility for this force them because way this boy, some of the boy them where they under them, they do them, not correct. This war will be fighting against La Republique for Balingam. We know already, as we be done inform the authority them for that villages them. Every time we market day e fall for Monday, they the whole market for day regularly. Now on Sunday, they don't the respect goes down. They don't do everything according to our revolutionary rules them. For instance, Balingam, we go the name and shame the generals and the soldiers the way they be involved for this type of attack against our people, and they condemn their people the way they live abroad, where they represent them for this type of nonsense. For stop, we need for focus for La Republique. Now this type of attack against our own people them senselessly without any justification, it turn some of our people them for begin do things where they're not supposed to do. For the meantime, I go spare the name for the Sako people them where they diaspora where they claim saying that they get these forces them for day. This is wrong and this is a crime. The person will lead that attack for Bon Balingam Palace, as we know, na grandpa for our wing, we bring some picking them from Santa, even Stone from Balingam. He be day for day also, he be join them. And plenty people in that area then see it not take long. They don't catch 4 of the soldiers the way they be go for go where they go burn that the palace, the hotel, and part of the market for day. They don't catch 4 of them for Santa where they don't carry blanket the way they thief them for day for go sell them. This one are just criminal activity. These lazy people them for the IG where they claim they then get the forces them. They give this legitimacy for criminal gangs them for begin work harass our people them in the name of Amber. Their own as just say the one begin collect money, they chop them. They no get no responsibility, no command and control. This one it create a lot of chaos and it put our vulnerable people in the mercy of criminal them where they just can gather themselves, begin commit crime, say na Amber them. Most of the boys where they do this criminal work them, kidnapping for ransom, they need to fight La Republique. They will not see them for inside Nkwende for Foyade. They kidnap people them at will every day, kidnapping case every day. All them now restoration forces and their power the commander for Osai for the Chris Anu and Sako the way they don't come out talk say na denge restoration for any man na restoration forces. They no get no command and control, yet they give legitimacy for criminal them. We know say some forces then they for inside the way they fight, they do the correct job. But any man way is stand in the one get authority, they must be now people the way they take responsibility over the picking them and they make sure that they hold them account because gun they so you get a lot of power. War they so criminal then too they enter for the. They don't keep picking for Bamenda. Chris Ano just come out he one from nowhere, talk say me all school then close. Say na the IG don't talk. The next day Sako send his own message. Say no, me school they not close. But me papa them na they take responsibility for picking them. Why you talk about something while you cannot control? The last time you talk about tsunami, they will come attack for Boya. No money they listen for you. But when they take now only cheap things, the way it be easy. Begin scare our people them. This is not how it is done. Liberation struggle, it be meant for leaders where they do hard job. Train soldiers, then bring them under discipline for make sure say that they protect the integrity for the struggle itself. Even when you authorize people that they carry arms, you must take responsibility for the people then for make sure say you protect the civilian them and the boy then they under order. So we condemn this burning of Balingam Palace by people that they want to take advantage for talk say in a ghost town day. There was no market there. This market for Balingam is the whole now for Sunday, they will market day for on Monday. All man know them. They must use proportional force. We see what picking they slaughter themselves for inside Bui. Because of one understand for abroad talk say na he be head for restoration forces. Who's are then day for ground for bring order? Would you say Isobu no pity they fight? Now so we would arrange meeting yesterday for General Kapo me the two group them come together for resolve the whatever problem they get them because our primary enemy na La Republic and our people them need for stop for listen for this corrupt individual them where they inject themselves at any opportunity, no before help them, but now for try for take advantage for exploit the revolution as the ram begin to rely on the revolution for their house rent as na jobless people them. Today again, in an interview for CNN, more news it come out for give information for our people where to 80 people them be about. When I know say now that the fight na say me negotiation it take place for the HD for Switzerland. Why would he insist say negotiation it must be in a process where you go get multinational partners them. That means say more than one country you will be present as mediator. When I hear the interview for CNN, in case when I know be done read the report for World Bank where it talks say these people they don't accept something less. When I go hear the scope of the Swiss deal, which would call a Swiss cheese, where these people they don't go tie themselves for day, they want to see me or Amazonia them, then go for day. When I hear the interview for CNN,
Cameroon ends up getting short shrift. I would note that the international community, diplomats, the U.S. Congress, Africans are engaged on this topic and on this crisis, but they're not having much effect. I think the international community, though, and we've seen the Swiss do this a little bit, can bring these sides together to set up some agreed upon standards and agreed upon benchmarks for moving towards peace. But we're going to have to see a more robust and high.
So when I hear for moving towards peace, that is what the Swiss deal is all about, for resolve the crisis and return for peace back as normal within one Cameroon. Now, why that way? Since 2019, they group them, the Splinter IG group, the Boherbeti group, the Beneza Akwanga group, where they don't go sign engagement for the Swiss. Said not only they go negotiate, not only the HD go negotiate. For 2 years now, they go counting, nothing has been done. They spend their time now for begin attack the ADF and the other groups them for make sure say me them finish them. Me they struggle, me the peace come back the way they want them, according to their way, their peace deal with the Swiss. Such interview them with this international personality, it go help for inform our people them about what did happen. As udana the year, the international community them, the American, their Congress, and many other international partners, they did really try to come in, but there is no room for them to come in. Because the Swiss HD, they don't sign deal, and the other, they block international partners, them, may they not come in. This one, will be clear for the retreat, as the Swiss, they be explained for day, and this interview for CNN, it go help for indicate our people them. First, when I hear the part where they talk about the state of the liberation movement, how divided it be, and the need for them to come to get a common position as the retreat for Canada, it seems to have established. Listen.
Well, I mean, there's a couple of challenges, right? First of all, the government so far has only made very superficial concessions. It's really dragged its feet. And on the side of the Anglophones, well, it's very divided, very fragmented. You've got elements that are for peace, just the cessation of conflict. You've got elements that want a new federal or confederal arrangement, and then you've got the secessionists. And some of them can be very hardline, very violent, attacking civilians, attacking each other. And so this has been difficult because who do you negotiate?
So, when I hear, contrary to way Bo Herbert and Chris Ano, they talk, said that nobody is against separation, everybody is for one thing. This is the reality. There are some group of our people, when a Southern Cameroonian them, now also Ambazonian them, we will record and say stakeholders, we then did enough for peace. They just want peace. Like Madame Omar and many other this NGO them for ground, these women there for ground, they just want peace. You get other group when a federation, where they want federation or confederation. That means the federalism. And then you get the hardliner them, them are the people that when a nationalism. Like the Ambazonian Governing Council, where then those one are only independence, the return of our sovereignty. Not only the Ambazonian Governing Council, you also get Gojidinka, when also a nationalist group, where they want outright independence and our self-determination and to exert our sovereignty of our territory. So all these groups, them are legitimate groups, and no matter their size or whether now will be big past another one, the international community, as one they hear for this interview, they see all this one like stakeholders and different options there for ground. Now they need that way we talk say now why that way the governing council you go attend the CDN retreat, because when we meet with all these various stakeholders them and then we come for a single decision, it help we for be capable for the international community for put the right pressure so that negotiation it will happen for solve the problem on the dialogue table. Because so long as these various factions that they exist on their own, the international community they need to get incentive for push for any negotiation as a way forward. You also get which way they call and say infighting way inside attack where you talk say group that they attack other ones them. It also make it maybe impossible for the international community to intervene. This one are the strategy where the splinter IG group that they use them by declaring war, banning other groups, asking their soldiers to attack other groups, because they know, say once that they give this impression for the international community, say their forces that they attack another forces them, it give this incentive for the international community for put pressure for a real mediation process where if we solve the problem in a way where it will be acceptable for the people them. For them, like one in favor of the Swiss deal where then they go on for 2 years without no fruit. That Swiss deal, it no go ever produce any fruit as it never produce them till now, because their main objective now for make sure say me the struggle it die, make peace it return within one Cameroon where it be unacceptable for we given the price where our people they don't pay and where our soldiers they don't pay this far. So when I understand why the splinter IG group they no want unity, they no want consensus, they no want any conference where you go gather people then together for accept one thing. When I remember I said the retreat for Canada, it produced one thing. All the various stakeholders, them, federalists, people where they want peace, they come to an agreement, including a parliamentarian. They so even though they not be legitimate, but they agree for one thing. Say the people them, their will and which way they want them need for be for in front, above which way the various group they want them. And they agree, say the two way people they want them are independence. That means say no matter what opinion you be, they need for go for negotiation table for independence as nothing where the people they want them. So make from today make people they not be confused, say they don't know who or why the splinter IG group, Bo Herbert and Ebenezer Akwanga, they don't become Roku. Una know the reason. Once again, una here.
The international community, though, and we've seen the Swiss do this a little bit, can bring these sides together to set up some agreed upon standards and agreed upon benchmarks for moving towards peace. But we're going to have to see
So the Swiss deal now for bring the people the way they don't bring them together for agree upon benchmark them way we already know, and for agree for means for return back to peace. But which one? Which way they block them and which way they protect them, when it stop them for happen, when I listen.
More robust and higher level engagement if we want to move forward. Moving towards peace, but we're going to have to see a more robust and higher level engagement if we want to move forward.
So we the international community, they know, say if we want to move forward, they go need a more robust and higher engage process. We other African country them they don't support them. Other European country they don't support them. We know say already 3 countries they don't be where them be interested for come in for help, where them be much more potent, especially the Americans. But the Swiss deal it block all man because now allied them and they go to respect with the Swiss that they do them. So the people the way they don't go for that Swiss thing, now they hold this struggle till today. Not them. Now time for the people them for ask them say for 2 years they don't go for Swiss for go negotiate. Who start the negotiation day? Who start the pobia where they talk with them? Now just for go full people them. They drag and they buy time for pobia for the key people them and for the stop the international community for intervene. Lastly, we see document where sister them for Catholic Church for inside hospital for Kumbu, they don't send her outside for show her La République du Cameroon, their military, they don't invade hospital for they attack patient them, destroy equipment for the hospital, would they condemn that and it remind our people them the need for come together, collaborate, for be effective for fight for their liberation because pobia go stop killing our people unless we stop them. Now only one way out, day for we and for liberate our homeland. We now align behind a structure where it be potent, it be responsible, it work on rational thinking, a leadership where it take responsibility and it be responsible. Now time for put behind all the blackmails. When I see how La République, it spend time 100% of the time for use me, Capo Daniel, for create fake Facebook page, fake flyers for disinform our people them because we be na their main obstacle for them for defeat Ambazonia. When I ignore all those fake flyers, fake news about Capo Daniel, Dr. Chu Ayaba, ADF, Lucas Asu, Vela Franklin, all the legitimate people them, na way they use them for try for dissociate our people them to gather together, for strategize, for collaborate, for fight against La République. And when I know the agenda of the internal people the way they don't go commit for something less. Capo Daniel, signing off.
Done this for this small idiot them.